Case study: sentiment analysis as a powerful tool, enhancing cybersecurity defenses and incident response at Technova. Sentiment analysis is an indispensable asset in the realm of cybersecurity. Imagine a mid-sized tech company, Technova, facing a myriad of cyber threats. The cybersecurity team is led by Alex, an experienced chief information security officer, who is keen on integrating innovative technologies to fortify the company's defense mechanisms. One morning, Alex is alerted by the SOC about a surge in negative sentiments in internal communications and social media mentions related to Technova. Realizing the gravity, Alex convenes a meeting with the team to discuss leveraging sentiment analysis for cyber defense. Alex begins the meeting by explaining that sentiment analysis can scrutinize user-generated content across platforms to identify potential threats, disgruntled employees, or malicious actors. This leads Casey, a senior data analyst, to wonder how sentiment analysis could pinpoint insider threats among thousands of daily emails and chat messages. The team decides to implement an NLP-based sentiment analysis tool to monitor internal communications. A week into the implementation, the tool flags multiple emails from an employee, Sam, exhibiting increasingly negative sentiments. The emails reveal dissatisfaction with management decisions and subtle hints of retaliatory intentions. The team recalls a study by Agarwal et al., where sentiment analysis of emails and chat logs effectively detected insider threats by identifying patterns of negative sentiment correlated with malicious activities. This example prompts Alex to ask, how can the team proactively address these potential threats? They decide to engage HR to discreetly assess Sam's situation and offer support, thereby preventing any potential malicious actions. Meanwhile, the cybersecurity team also explores sentiment analysis for threat intelligence. Cybercriminals often use dark web forums to communicate and share information about vulnerabilities. Julie, a threat intelligence analyst, suggests monitoring these forums to identify emerging threats. She refers to a research paper by Chavoshi et al., which highlighted how sentiment analysis could monitor dark web forums to uncover discussions about new malware and attack strategies. This approach raises a question: how can real-time intelligence from these forums translate into actionable security measures? Julie's team collaborates with the SOC to develop a protocol for swift action on any identified threats, reducing the likelihood of successful attacks. As the team delves deeper, Alex is interested in assessing the effectiveness of the company's cybersecurity measures through sentiment analysis. They collect feedback from users and stakeholders, analyzing the sentiments towards existing security policies and practices. A study by Liu and Zhang demonstrated that sentiment analysis of user feedback helped organizations identify weaknesses in their security systems, leading to targeted improvements and enhanced protection. Alex poses a critical question: how can the team ensure that the feedback translates into actionable changes? They decide to create a feedback loop where analyzed sentiments directly inform periodic reviews and updates of security protocols. Another pressing issue is phishing detection. Phishing attacks are a prevalent threat, often deceiving users into divulging sensitive information. The team integrates sentiment analysis to analyze the emotional tone of emails and messages. Research by Verma and Hossein showed that sentiment analysis could effectively distinguish between legitimate and phishing emails by examining linguistic cues and emotional content. Casey questions, how can this capability be automated to enhance protection without overwhelming the team? The solution lies in deploying machine learning models that continuously improve their accuracy in detecting phishing attempts, thus automating the detection and filtering process. Social media monitoring also becomes a focus area. Cyber adversaries exploit social media platforms for misinformation, attacks, or recruitment for malicious activities. The team uses sentiment analysis to scrutinize social media posts related to Technova. A study by Kim et al. Demonstrated how sentiment analysis of social media data could detect coordinated cyber campaigns and disinformation efforts. Alex asks, how can the team respond to potential threats identified on social media in a timely manner? They establish a real-time alert system and a dedicated response team to counteract any identified threats, ensuring the integrity of Technova's online presence. Following a cyber incident, sentiment analysis aids in incident response and post-incident analysis. Technova experiences a data breach, and the team uses sentiment analysis to understand the sentiments of affected parties through public statements, press releases, and social media. A case study by Sarkar et al. Illustrated how sentiment analysis of social media reactions to a data breach helped an organization refine its incident response plan and improve public relations efforts. Alex poses a final question. How can the team utilize these insights to enhance their crisis communication strategy? They decide to tailor their communication based on the analyzed sentiments, ensuring transparency and empathy, thus rebuilding trust with their stakeholders. To conclude, sentiment analysis provides Technova with a multifaceted approach to bolster their cyber defenses. By scrutinizing internal communications, monitoring dark web forums, assessing user feedback, enhancing phishing detection, and analyzing social media, Technova stays a step ahead of cyber adversaries. The integration of sentiment analysis in their cybersecurity strategy not only helps in proactive threat detection and intelligence gathering, but also strengthens their incident response and public relations efforts. The questions posed throughout the case study encouraged the team to critically analyze and implement sentiment analysis effectively. Addressing the potential insider threat by offering support to SAM preemptively mitigated a security risk. Real-time intelligence from dark web forums led to actionable security measures, preventing potential attacks. The feedback loop ensured continuous improvement of security protocols based on user sentiments. Automating phishing detection alleviated the burden on the team while enhancing protection. Timely responses to social media threats preserved Technova's online integrity. Lastly, refining crisis communication based on sentiments post-incident helped rebuild trust with stakeholders. This comprehensive approach demonstrates how sentiment analysis is an essential tool in fortifying cybersecurity defenses in an interconnected world.